red juice is sour. You ain't smoke by the hour, smoke by the minute. Feel this way, I'll be finished. Say my name and it's on your whole teeth finish. As the payroll problem, I'm about to drop my armor on damn beast, nigga, on damn hook. My dick in your girl mouth is a good damn look. I don't know why I paid for your studio time. Whack ass niggas with your whack ass rhymes. Studio rappers, yeah, I said that. Cause none of y'all niggas even fuck with Gunpla any which way. I come where you lay. Fuck tech nasty, a nigga is gay. Now fuck your arm, got your dogs magnum. But in the fucking street, you'll never go platinum, pussy. Pump, motherfuckers. I pump you. I don't give a fuck cause you dunking undercover. Way underground, motherfucker, thinking of you, never that, motherfucker, cause I'm never thinking of it. In my lack, when I roll a sippy yak. Nigga, what you want? I'ma do it like that. And I bring it back for the backspin. And I bring it back for the black friend. Black hooligan, where you at, man? This what I do when I'm on the fucking grind. And I hustle when I do it all the time. What I do, what I say, man, everything I live, what it is. And I get it all for my fucking kids. I had a bitch, she was from my ribs. But I had to give her back to God, what it is. What did life do? Get it back, nigga, I live my life, nothing like you. Nigga, keep it true, wildin' out for you what you do. But keep you in the zoo, locked up in the cage, wildin' out, coming back. Do it for the slaves, do it for the Indians and the Mexicans. That's my friend, last skins, hooligans, bumpin' back, where you at? Bullshit, all kinds of men, you don't know about that. We plant the seeds on the motherfucking earth. You don't understand how we do it. Rock the university, universal hit. And I like to spit, and I like to spit. Come and put raw shit off my lyrics. I make them hear it, I make them feel it. Motherfucking bitches on my dick, I make them wear it. Splatter all the facing, talk shit, all kinds of racing. Know that I'm amazing, and I move adjacent. For fake ass men and fake men, hate men. Fuck it, overrate men, but take men, mistaken, and they hate men. Fuck it, I do it all cause I'm great, man. Nobody do it like me, can relate, man. Yeah, for the 2000 to whatever, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Forever I'll be here. Shake, let's break these niggas, man. Let's break these niggas like we in the casino, motherfucker.